John Pallotta is a gifted artist, teacher, and human being whose mission in life is sharing his authority and love of acting with each and every one of his students. His attention and perception are uncanny. He is also one of the most sought-after acting coaches in the business today. Almost every acting class in the world trains actors to play an objective. In other words, to choose an action based on the information you get from reading the script, or why the character is doing what he is doing. Believe me, that's the easy part of dealing with actions. The piece of the puzzle that few actors learn to deal with is the deeper, personal layer of why they are playing those actions. Please consider this acting fact. Without a personal need to accomplish the action, you have not yet earned the right to stand on that stage and speak the words of the script. I am talking about having the true need to do the things you are doing in the play. The true need, not the pretend need or the indicated need, but the authentic need. Having the true need to do what you are doing is the seed of life on stage. Acting is a State of Mind by John Pallotta.